Hi, thank you for watching our instructions for Geezer Glide Fork Slider kits. Geezer Glide Fork Slider kits are compatible with OEM fork sliders. For assembly of the fork tubes and internal suspension components, please refer to the OEM service manual or aftermarket product instruction if that is what will be installed. Geezer Glide Fork Sliders have a hidden axle feature. The axle is installed from the left side and there is no mounting hardware visible on the right side. In order to minimize wear on the aluminum material of the fork slider, we designed a steel sleeve that the axle installs into. This eliminates wear on the fork slider caused by wheel removals for tire or brake rotor changes. Your Geezer Glide Fork Slider kit includes the fork sliders themselves, the axle, the steel sleeve, and spacers. Once the fork legs have been completed, we can install the sleeve. Apply medium strength thread locker on the threads of the sleeve and thread it in by hand. Once completely seated, torque it to 100 foot-pounds. The fork legs can now be installed on your bike. Secure your motorcycle. Use a scissor lift underneath the wheel and set bearing centers level with the fork slider axle centers. Have your cone spacers ready. Install the right cone spacer first. Now slide in the left spacer or ABS sensor with its cover. If everything is lined up properly, then the axle should go in easily. Thread in the axle by hand. In case of resistance, a little bit of wiggling of the assembly will help. Once the axle is seated all the way, install the lower bracket of the left fork slider, but do not tighten yet. Tighten the axle to 60 foot-pounds of torque. Install the axle and plug into the axle. Now tighten the lock nuts on the left fork slider evenly so the gap is even on both sides. Torque to 132 to 144 inch-pounds of torque. Do not over-tighten as damage may occur. Motorcycles equipped with ABS. The mounting clip of the front ABS sensor harness can be reused on Geezer Glide fork sliders with additional clearance. The lower bolt eye of the clip needs to be modified slightly. Mark the area you want to remove. Grind it off. Then check clearance. If you have achieved sufficient clearance, you can move on to clean up the clip, touch up the paint, and then install it on your fork slider. That's it. Thank you for watching.